In this tutorial, we're going to take a quick look at how you can add or import media into DaVinci Resolve 20. So when you start in DaVinci Resolve 20, you are either on the media setting, the cut setting, or the edit setting. First thing I will show you is in the media setting, because here we have an option that we don't have in the other two. So in the media setting, you can click media storage here on top, and then you have the option to go to where your media is located, in my case, in my DaVinci work folder. And then you can select all the media and drag it in, just like that. It might be that DaVinci asks you if you want to change the frame rate, depending on your project, which you can do if you want to. Now, when you've imported it in the media setting, as you can see, it is also available in the cut setting and is also available in the edit setting. So that's the first option you have. Now let me delete this here so you can see the other options. Other option here is going to File, and this one is available in all three settings. Going to File and then choosing Import Media. And then you go to where that media is located, select everything you want to import, and then just choose Open. As you can see now, we have all three media again available in the media section, the cut section, and the edit section. Other option you have, let me delete, is going to where that media is located, selecting all the media you want to import, and then just drag it in. Again, this is the media setting, also available in the cut setting and the edit setting. Now let me delete this again so I can show you the rest. We're going to go to the cut section, and then here, go to where your media is located, select all the media you want to import, and then just drag it in, just like that. It's available here in the cut. Again, it's available also in the media and also in the edit option. Now let's delete this again so I can show you the same is accessible here. Go to where your media is located and then just drag it in. And here in this edit option, of course, as before, it's also available then in the media option, in the cut option. And here in the edit option, you can choose to drag it in to your edit timeline to edit it. So those are three options, with one option only available in the media setting. That's the media storage option here. But for all three, you can drag and drop them into the media pool here, and you can also use the File Import Media option. Like the video if you liked it, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.